channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Kayla Brienne, and this is my YouTube channel where I vlog and I just make all types of different types of videos, whatever I'm feeling, whatever. So today I'm going to be giving you guys an empty apartment tour. I just moved to Nashville from Indianapolis. I graduated college in December, and my job is located here in Nashville, so I had to move. It's a nice apartment, 1 bedroom. It's a cool neighborhood. This building is brand new, so I'm the first person to live in it, so that's a good and a bad thing, because it's like anything that I mess up is like my fault. But other than that, I love my place. It's just enough space for me. So let's get into this video. This is the view of how everything looks. Okay, yeah. So when you first come in, to your right, you have this, sliding door, and this is basically like a little sitting space. You can put your coats, jackets, whatever type of accessories that people or guests have, or myself. And then this sliding door just kind of slides like that, and in there is the bathroom. So I guess we can start in there first. So it has this little latch, so you can latch the sliding door from closing from the inside when you're using the bathroom. So you do have privacy. But when you walk into the bathroom, this is pretty much what it looks like. There is a garden tub, so this tub is pretty freaking huge, and this is one of the things that like sold me on this apartment. And then like the shower curtain will rod kind of comes out a little bit, so it gives you more space in the bathroom. And then this is kind of what it looks like, you know, walking in at first glance. The bathroom is huge. So just the basics over here. Marble countertop, huge mirror, and then the lighting is actually pretty nice too. Okay, and when you turn around, you guys see the closet space is pretty nice. It's very convenient because, I mean, this easily could have been just a wall, but they decided to put a closet there, so that's very convenient. The drawers, so it's 3 drawers and then 2 of these cabinet areas, but like I said, you have the closet here for extra space, so it doesn't really matter. Then this is the walk-in closet. I hate the doors. Like, I feel like the walk-in closet should have had a sliding door, because having both these doors just kind of like swinging which way kind of makes it, I don't know. I mean, it creates less space, and this is a lot of space in here. So it's a lot of space in this closet. When you're leaving the closet from the bathroom, you have my room. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. So this is my room, just a regular room. I have this huge window, and then I have USB ports. So upon exiting my room, when you come out, this is just the view. This is the living room. Just a lot of like open space where a lot of things can go. But in the living room, we have a patio. So this is the patio. It's pretty nice. I already have my chair out here just sitting, but it's just a wooden patio. It's pretty big. So this is what the patio looks like, and like I said, it's pretty freaking big. Over here we have like an outlet, so if you want to hang up some lights, you could. But coming back in through the patio, this is what you see. This is the kitchen, and over to your left we have the washer and dryer, and in this door we have the furnace. So that door stays locked at all times. But the washer and dryer looks like this. At the top we have like a nice rack. There is space on the side of the washer and dryer, and as you can see, I have my ironing board, so it's a nice pretty long rack. Right across from the washer and dryer we have the island. This is one of the things that sold me. It's a pretty big island, marble countertops. It's beautiful. And then we do have valet trash, so that goes out every day around, I want to say 5 to 9. You set the trash outside your door and they come and pick it up for you. Then we have our refrigerator, and then basic freezer, but they do have an ice maker. So we have cabinet space up top, we have cabinet space on the side, more cabinet space, and I just love the simple backsplash. So yeah, I don't think it's actually real like brick, it's just black backsplash. So, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports up here, so a lot of space for appliances, small appliances. More cabinet space up top, over the microwave, and down below just a stainless steel and Whirlpool microwave and oven. Across from there we have the sink and the dishwasher. So the sink is very, very deep. It's a very deep sink. That's pretty cool. I like the deep sink, cabinet space underneath. And then this is the dishwasher. So I do have like some dishes in there, but pretty cool dishwasher. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty spacious. So I like that. And then on the side of the island, we have the garbage disposal switch, and then we have some outlets. But these outlets, just like in the room, have USB plugs, so that's very convenient. And so some bar stools will probably go around here. But then we have another outlet over here. I hope that you guys like this empty apartment tour. I ran through it pretty quickly just because I had guests and people waiting. The apartment is very beautiful. I will be doing a furnished apartment tour, not soon, but like soon enough. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Stay on the lookout for more content, more videos. I'm in Nashville by myself, so I have all the time in the world. Be expecting more vlogs, more sit-down girl talk videos. So yeah, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So make sure that you subscribe so that you are part of this community. Share this experience with me, share this journey, this adventure with me. That is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.